Hey there, Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a new page to your website and make sure it's included to your menu. It's super easy. First, we will go to the dashboard of our website, and we can see here is a option of pages, and then we'll go to the all pages, and as you can see, here is a button of add page. Just hit on it and that's it. Now what type of page you want, like home page, about us page, about me page, whatever you want. Just as like I want about page. Okay, then publish it, publish, saving. Okay, that's it, the page is just created. And then we can add more page, like home page, publish, saving. Okay, you know, and go to the appearance, and we will head over to the menu setting, and this is the place where you can add menu and sub menus. And as you can see, the menu items are being saved automatically. If we go to the website, then we can see about page, home page, it's just automatically saved. And if you need to make any adjustments or encounter any issues, just click the save option and everything will be updated smoothly. And that's it for today. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching.